Hello friends, today I have really exciting news. Let's say that you have Facebook account, and I'm pretty sure that a lot of people right now watching this video, you have Instagram account, you have Facebook account, you have TikTok and X account. So if you have any of these social media accounts, this is a good news for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to receive free money using this social media account that you have. It can be Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. I've seen a lot of people, they have been looking out the way to get free money, but they never get free money since 2021. They are really facing hard time. They don't have money to go to school, they don't have money to pay for medication, but they don't know how to get free money. But at the same time, you're using these platforms, like you're using Instagram. You don't know how to get money through Instagram, you don't know how to get money through TikTok and all that, which is very easy. I'm going to tell you this method, that if you're going to use this method, I'm pretty sure that you will thank me later and say that I'll never regret it that I watched this video. This video is really going to help anyone who is really facing financial difficulty right now, trying here and there to get free money. So this one is a good news for you, because it's really going to help you. So what I want you to do right now, you just have to remember your password on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. After that, listen to me very careful. I really hope that you have pen so that you can write down all this necessary information that I'm going to share to you right now. So the first step, once you have Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, I want you to write down, why do you really need this money? Write your story, what makes you need this money. It can be $1,000, it can be $2,000. So I'm going to show you this example right here. So if it was for me, I could have written as follows. This is just example. Hello everyone, my name is Hans David, and today I'm raising money for my daughter's school fees. Anyone who is touched, kindly please help me $1,000, and I will show you my appreciation to everyone who donated this kind of money to my daughter. Thanks so much for anyone who is going to donate money for my daughter. My daughter needs to go to school. So you can come up with such a story, such a touching story. After writing down this story, I'm going to show you how you're going to do this story to make sure that people are going to donate money for you. So you just have to make sure that after writing this story, you have to come up with this proof. How can people really trust you that you have a daughter who needs to go to school? So if you have picture, or if you have a video of your daughter, you need to come up with this video. You need to add your video on this story that you have just written. So after writing this story, you can record yourself a video, or you can just put a voiceover on these pictures of your daughter with uniform, just to make sure that people are really going to believe that you really have a daughter and your daughter needs to go to school. And if you're sick, you just have to come up with this picture that you're really sick in bed at hospital, or this receipt of hospital, and that this is very important so that people can really trust you. You are really in need of financial help. So after this story and all this proof and all that, what you need to do right now, you need to go to Facebook. If you have Facebook, you need to go to Facebook, and I really encourage you to go to Facebook, because Facebook is very common platform in the world. So you need to go to different groups on Facebook. You need to search different groups. It can be church groups, and I really recommend to go to church groups. You need to share this video that you just created with your story. You need to share this video to different Facebook groups. I'm telling you guys, if you're really going to do this, if you're going to share to different groups, it doesn't matter these groups are from your country or other countries, just keep sharing this story of yours, and people will just reach out to you. But do not forget to write your number or your email so that people can reach out to you. So after sharing this video, or these pictures of your child needing help and all that, people are going to donate money for you. I am pretty sure that this is really going to work out for you guys. So that was for only Facebook. Right now, let's go to Instagram. So Instagram right now is very easy to go viral with reels. If you post reels within 24 hours, you must get at least 10 people who watched your reel and all that. So it's really important for you to make sure that you go to Instagram as well. and you need to post this video that you created the story with. It can be video, it can be photos that are spreading and all that. You just have to make sure that you use Instagram and post your reel. Posting reels on Instagram is a very easy way for your message to be delivered into many countries, not just your country. And I suggest that if you speak English language, it will be so easy for this video to go viral to other countries, America, Europe and all that, not just Africa or any country that you are coming from. So I really encourage that you speak in English language so that your reel can be so easier to go viral into different countries. So post your reels at least 3 times a week. 3 times a week, post a reel, explain like why do you really need this money for and all that, and be active, because anyone who is coming to donate money for you, every time that they are going to text you, you need to reply them right away. So this one is very important. You have to post on Instagram. And the other thing that you can do right now, you need to go to TikTok. TikTok is very easy to go viral on TikTok. And once you post a video, and if you don't want people from your country to see this video, I suggest that you need to speak English language, because if you speak English language, it will be so easier for this video to go viral to other countries like Europe or USA and all that. So this one is very important for you to understand that you can use TikTok as well, Facebook and Instagram. But I want to tell you, this is like the best advice for anyone who is really in need. I'm not teaching people on how to beg money. It's really not a good thing to beg for money. But I know sometimes you may be in a position that you ask help from your friends or your family, and no one is coming to help you. No one is coming to save you. And this is a very tough situation. I've been there. I know how hard it is to ask help to different people that you know, and they always turn you down. So the only thing that you can do is go ahead and ask help from strangers online, and this is the best way that you can do to make sure that you get this money. But I'm not teaching people to beg for money. And you just have to write your email. It's very important to write your contact, so that if this video goes viral, people can reach directly to you, so that you can get this help that you want. And the other thing that I can advise is that you need to show your proof. Your video cannot go viral if you haven't shown proof in your video that you are really facing the current situation that you're in right now. The other thing I want to say that do not lie to people. These donors, they really don't like lying. They really don't like lies. Guys, I really encourage you, really need to be careful with that. You really need to have good intention with this money that you're raising. You don't have to lie to anything. You just have to be in a situation that it really needs help from people. That's the reason that you come all the way to ask money from people. But I'm just making this video to those people who are sick, like very serious disease like cancer, and they're facing very hard time, like they don't have money to pay for rent, they're single mothers. Those type of people, I think this video directs to them. But if you are strong enough to go ahead and find for your own money, do not go ahead and beg for money. So thanks so much, and I really hope that this video is really going to help you. I hope to see you next time. Thank you.